Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Matt Johnson and this is The Deep Planet. I do videos and tutorials all about motorcycle maintenance and DIY stuff. A couple of gear reviews and things thrown in there as well. But this video I'm going to show you how to wrap parts of your motorbike that might have a little bit of curve on it, and they can be a little tricky, especially with that 6D carbon fiber look vinyl. It's really quite thick. A couple of things that are going to make this job a lot easier. Definitely want to get yourself a pair of these vinyl wrap gloves. Just makes it a lot easier to smooth out the vinyl. Microfiber cloth for polishing and wiping. Some isopropyl alcohol just to help prep the surface area. Little sharp pointed cutter blade. These little tools that just help with some tricky areas. We've also got some magnets that are just going to hold the vinyl in place while you're working with it. A squeegee. Now you'll often get these with the vinyl when you purchase it, but if you don't, definitely need one of them. And this is a really handy cutter that allows you to cut the vinyl really safely and easily, and just a lot more efficient than scissors. When you're done, definitely want to consider buying some of this Rev Auto Wrap Protectant and Cleaner. Definitely going to get a bit more life out of your vinyl. And of course, we're going to want some nice 6D vinyl to wrap the part with. Let's go. This is the area that I'm working on, and it's just proving to be a little fiddly. You can just see how it softens, and then you gotta choose your weapon wisely. Sometimes for that last little bit, you can just squeak it out. That time. Look. brute force there. That's basically the technique. You just keep doing that back and forward. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell and I will see you in the next video. Peace.